got something really cool in the mail today. It's the Hansshow Yoke, and it looks just like this. Ergonomic design to handle a long hour of driving, racing inspired aerodynamic and style. Made with 100% real carbon fiber, made with real leather and Alcantara, which is the version I got. So let's unbox this bad boy. And let me show you what it looks like here. So there you go, you can see it's got the black stitching, matte black logo. Really super cool looking. And then here's the yoke steering wheel. And it is carbon fiber here. The sides have carbon fiber. I went with the matte carbon fiber because that's what I got installed on pretty much everything in the car. That's that. There you go. And this basically replaces your stock steering wheel. All the controls are the same. It's got the little knobs here. Carbon fiber. This is got a Tesla stamp on the back, so this is actually a real Tesla steering wheel that they use to make these. Very high quality, super soft. I know a lot of people are partial to these. A lot of people don't like them. Some people do. I personally think they're really cool. So that's what it looks like. Pretty neat. We are in the car today with the climate control on because it's a little chilly outside. 55 degrees, which is not as bad as it has been. It gets down in the 20s lately, and even lower than that coming up here soon. But today we're going to install the yoke, which is going to be really cool. First things first though, I need to go get some Allen keys. And we're going to have to remove this. So you have to take this out. There's two little holes down somewhere in the steering wheel. Right here's one, and there's another one over here. You push them both to pop the airbag out. You should power down the car first, which I'm going to do. So we're going to take this wheel off. I got my breaker bar. I got my needle nose pliers in my pocket, and the two Allen keys. Those are the only things that you need. First though, we're going to power down the car and power off the car. A lot of people unplug their batteries. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it without it. I've seen some people do it without unplugging their battery. The reason why they unplug the battery is because they don't want the airbag to eject for any reason when you undo this, but I don't think we need to worry about that. I'm going to go grab my two Allen keys real quick, and then we'll power this off and take the steering wheel off. Alright, we got our Allen keys. Hopefully these are small enough. Let's see. Yes. So let's take the two smallest ones. Now, video quality is going to probably get pretty bad here, but I'm trying to find this hole with my hand here. There we go. And apparently you just push these in here somehow. So we're going to put our Allen key in these holes, and we're going to push. Oh, there we go. So I just need to go flat. See that little, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's a little metal piece that releases it. So we're going to try that again.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, we're to the airbag. I already took the airbag cover off, installed the steering wheel. It was a pain in the butt to get the airbag cover to pop up. I don't know why, or I guess the airbag in general, but we removed the cover. We're getting ready to put the new one on here, and I believe you just go like this and cinch it down, push it down until it goes through all these clips. And now all we do is take this to the car, plug it in, push it down. It should be good to go. Here's your bolt. This bolt you have to use this hex head. It's like an Allen key but bigger with a 1/2 inch drive on it. It is incredibly hard to get this off, but easier than getting the airbag cover off for me. You just stick this in here, and then when you're removing the stock steering wheel, you have to hold it with your knees and then pull up like this, lefty-loosey. And then whenever you put this back on, you put the nut back in, and then you hold it like this, and then you go with the right side, righty-tighty. That's all you got to do to get the steering wheel off. Once you get that off, you just kind of wiggle it out. It only goes in one way, so when you put it back in, it's got a little key on it. So here's the stock steering wheel. Here's the little keys. This makes sure that it stays in place and it can only go in one way. So when you set it on there, you can't like install it any way you want. It just goes in one way. Same with the yoke. So now we'll just plug these back in. Push that in. Now to take these out, you got to use a needle nose plier, and you just go on each end here, squeeze it, and then pull to get it out. It's pretty simple. Sorry I couldn't show you that earlier. I didn't have any light. I was kind of trying to get this going, and it was a pain in the butt. So take this cable, yellow cable, plug it into the airbag part, and then we just stick this in here, and that's it. Now we're good. No, I don't want to be in my profile. I want to be easy entry. Alright, so now we got our yoke installed. We're going to go test that right now. I'm driving. I don't know how well this is going to work. This is being shot on my phone, but we're riding around at night with the yoke, and I just want to see if maybe the phone shot better video. I don't know how well it's going to do stabilizing it. It's on my suction cup mount, but I wanted to give this a shot so I could talk about my thoughts so far after the first day of using my yoke. And so far it's pretty easy to adapt to. Turning is a little different. Not difficult. I was about to say difficult, but turning is a little different. Instead of grabbing up here and twisting like I normally would for a left turn, I gotta go down here or push down here. I can grab up like this, or I can push down like this. We'll see here in just a second. So just really depends on what you want to do, and then you can just hold it with literally one finger, and it's kind of got indentations here, so like you can grip it and it feels like there's little buttons up here like in an aircraft or something. But just got done charging. It's 11:30 at night. It's cheaper to charge in the later hours because of the cost of electric. So usually I go out later at night unless I got something I needed to do. Today I didn't have much to do. So, well, I actually did a lot today, but a Honda Civic probably wants to race me. Oh, come on, Honda Civic, you want to race? Are you serious? You seriously want to race me? Not gonna happen.
The next day.
Second day of having the yoke. First day of having the yoke. I installed it yesterday evening, so I did take you guys out for a drive yesterday night to show you everything. We're gonna get behind this Model S up here. It's in front of the car that's in front of me. Yeah, that makes sense. So I just wanted to do a really quick video during the day to show you what the yoke looks like, since I did it last night. It was actually the night video actually turned out pretty good. You just couldn't see the yoke very well. Only whenever I went under the street lights and stuff. Man, that's a slick looking Model S. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but I'm gonna go up there and look at it if I can. I just wanna be behind this customized Model S Yeah, that's definitely not stock. It's even got the, I think it's got the tail lights tinted, but it's got red Tesla logo and Tesla lettering. Looks really nice. So we got two pimped out Teslas right here. But yeah, this video is all about the yoke. This is the Alcantara carbon fiber version with the Alcantara airbag cover. And it's super interesting to drive, a little bit different than a standard steering wheel. Can you floor it for me, buddy? Thanks. That's so nice looking. There's no way I could keep up with that guy. He could definitely smoke me. He's got his lettering removed, so I can't tell what kind of Tesla it is. It might be the Plaid. It looks like a newer version though. Alright, we're gonna set the destination to home. We're gonna do full self-driving and see if it actually works right today. It did work okay last night, but I did have to disengage it when I got close to my house, because it always wants to floor it right when it gets to the turn. I don't know why it does that, but here we are. But yeah, so this is the yoke. You don't really have to interact with it much on highways or interstates, or freeways that some people call them. Oh, I can get over? Alright, thanks. So full self-driving is nice. See, except for it does weird things like this, where it tells you to get over and then it tells you to get back over. Don't ask me. And then it beeps at you when you don't confirm. So on the city, it is actually full self-driving, where it will turn for you and make decisions for where to go. And on the highway, you have to engage the turn signal for it to switch lanes. Now in version 11, that's supposed to be going away. Oh, I gotta change lanes again. Thanks for letting me know. But in version 11, that's supposed to go away. It's supposed to do everything for you, like it does on the city streets. Now, I don't know for a fact how well this one does. I haven't done this road yet, so we'll see. This will be a first for all of us. Okay, what are you doing here? Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. See, it's not perfect. But now here it takes over.
In 1,000 feet, take the Highway 141 ramp on the left.
I think we're in the wrong lane. Though, maybe not. Oh, it's going to take us around. Normally, I would go over on this lane.
Now take the Highway 141 ramp on the left.
Normally, I would go up that way and make a left, but this is doing a different thing.
Feet, take the Highway 141 ramp on the right.
Well, it probably is going to do everything for me here. And I won't have to touch it, I don't think. Are you going to get over?
Now take the Highway 141 ramp on the right.
Oh yeah, you're a little late. See what I mean? This little thing, see, it doesn't always do everything correctly, but let's see what happens here. Oh, now you're gonna speed up to 50? Yeah, slow down. And there's a car there. Alright. Oh, that wasn't so bad. I just messed up right before that, and you just changed lanes in the middle of an intersection, and that's illegal. Yeah, so this is full self-driving. It literally drives your car for you. It's not 100%, as you can see. It just stopped for no reason, but it does a pretty good job. And I don't use it a whole lot in the city. I usually just use it on the highway, and that's just basically enhanced autopilot on the highway. But like I was saying earlier, version 11 merges the highway and city data together, and the highway is then supposed to be full self-driving, where it will change lanes for you, it will exit for you, it will do all kinds of stuff. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the yoke install, and I hope you enjoy all my future videos about the Tesla. I know I'm not going to get a whole lot of views on those. I should probably start a different channel. I've been kind of tossing up that idea to start a Tesla channel, and let me know down in the comments what you think about the yoke. Like I said in the previous videos, I know a lot of people don't like these. I personally think they're really cool, futuristic, something different. You don't see them in every car. You rarely see them in Model 3s because it is an aftermarket accessory. Not very many people are gonna go out of their way to install something like this, but I did, so we're gonna go up to 40. And thanks for Hansshow for sending this out to me to make this video. I appreciate that. Hopefully I can work with them again in the future and get some other products. I definitely want to get the tail lights that they make for this car. I know that they sell them, so that might be something I get in the future. We'll see. But for now, we're gonna have fun with our yoke and enjoy the coolness of it.